Guys, I'm just down the river because I was wondering if I could do an update on our Gangster. This is a Cayuga duck there. Well, for starters, you guys don't know why I'm calling him Gangster, right? I mean, well, first of all, he sometimes gets a bit, jealous. Well, that some of the, he often bullies other ducks like the other ducks do. I meant that duck, you know, the Cayuga duck. This duck has a threatening appearance and size. Well, size, in fact, he has an absolutely threatening size. Was threatening to other ducks. Well, you know, this is a domestic duck. It was actually released in the UK before, and here we are now with our Gangster here. He doesn't look too bothered about the rooks too much. Are they basically at it? Yeah, there's a doctor. Yeah, there. I know there's ducks there. Did you hear that? They're absolute springlocks. I mean, they're totally fighting all the time, aren't they? Absolute nasty. Well, is that a red admiral or a ringlet? There's a butterfly that looks like a red admiral or a ringlet. Mum, did you know that some people say that? Did you know that some people say that red admirals are a symbol of evil and danger? I wonder why, Mum. Red admirals. Why is that stick in the way? Just come up. Well, I thought he was an American black, he's a gangster, but he's actually a Cayuga. He's actually a domestic species called breed. Sorry, it's a Cayuga duck. It's actually a medium-sized duck breed, which can often be mistaken as an American black at first glance. I'm mistaking it as an American black at first glance because of its wings. You see that? It's not even a native species.
It's a beautiful colour.
Well, it is a bit. Well, it is a domestic duck, right? It's a Cayuga duck, but it's actually it was actually released in the UK a long time ago. Well,
Yeah.
when it gets to where when it gets hotter, well, maybe when it gets hotter, we'll start feeding them fruit again. If it gets hotter,
And bring them some frozen veg and that.
Yeah.
Peas and sweet corn.
I know, peas and sweet corn, well, you know what, with
like cherries too, don't they?
Yeah, well, in the summer, we kind of, thaw them out, in fact, don't we, Mum?
Yeah, we just put them in a bowl, don't we, so they defrost by the time we get there.
I know, with mice, that's happening with snakes. I mean, I don't even, blackbird. I don't even know the difference between thawing out a frozen farmhouse or I don't even know the difference between thawing out snake food or thawing out fruit or veg. Whoa! See that heron?
Is that the heron?
Yeah.
We might be going in the river up there, aren't we?
Yeah, that thing occasionally appears, doesn't it? It always looks for trout in the... There's a robin up that tree.
I saw it. Here he is, little robin.
Yeah. Gangster better not see that off.
Gangster.
Better not scare him, Mum. He's going away now.
Come on, running through there.
Gangster's just scared of Robin off. Oh my goodness. Just see what I mean, guys. I mean, this breed of duck, the Cayuga duck, was a Dunnock. You know, the Cayuga duck actually has, it's mistaken as a mallard at first glance. You know, Gangster can be a real bully, in fact. He sometimes bullies the mandarins or even the mallards. Do you see what I mean? He frightened the robin off. You see what I mean? The Cayuga duck that duck actually has if you've ever seen one, they have an absolutely threatening size. It just scared the robin off.
It really just said, look, Alfie.
Look what? I know, it was the mandarins. Still beautiful and all, despite their size, that scares off the mandarins. He's tried bullying them as well. He's tried attacking them as well. This is why, on the video where we first met him, I put an age restriction on it on YouTube. You see the sheer size of that duck. Absolutely massive. You see that? Coming towards the duck stays. obviously like the I think these ducks obviously, oh, for goodness sakes, these rock swords have ruined my day. See the cock just sitting there. No, no, gangster, no. Please. No. Please, no. No, please.
I'll come up so I'll be quiet.
Gangster's going over there. Look, Stanton. This is the first time the mandarins have ever come to our cedars. Gangster's really getting threatened by them now. Right, Mr. Mandarin. Oh, there's now a swallow now in the background. I've now heard a swallow. Did you just show that bully duck off? Didn't you?